Equation of continuity. If a liquid is flowing in streamline flow in a pipe of non-uniform cross-section area, see the area is here A1 and in this place it is A2. So rate of flow of liquid across any cross-section will remain, any cross-section remains constant. So you can say A1 into V1 equal to A2 into V2, that is AV, this is constant. So the velocity of liquid is slower where area of cross-section is larger and faster where area of cross-section is smaller. So the falling stream of water, this becomes narrower as you see in normal natural resources also. As the velocity of this stream of water increases, its area of you can say cross sections also decreases. Because cross section decreases, the stream of water increases. The energy of a liquid, the liquid in motion possesses three type of energy. So a liquid of motion, it has three type of energy. So we have pressure energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. So potential energy, the pressure energy per unit mass, pressure energy per unit mass, where this P is the pressure of the liquid, this of course this is rho, rho is the density of the liquid, and pressure in energy per unit volume is given by this value. So the kinetic energy per unit mass is half V square. The kinetic energy per unit volume is half rho V square. The potential energy per unit mass is GH and potential energy per unit volume is rho GH. These are the energies of a liquid.